Egypt is one of the world's oldest civilizations, with a history spanning over 5,000 years. It has been a center of pharaonic dynasties, foreign conquests, and modern political revolutions. From the construction of the Great Pyramids to the Arab Spring, Egypt has played a crucial role in shaping human history. Ancient Egypt c. The birth of 700 BCE, 332 BCE. The birth of civilization. Around 3100 BCE, King Menes Narmer united Upper and Lower Egypt, establishing the first dynasty and the world's first centralized state. The capital was founded at Memphis, near present-day Cairo. The Old Kingdom, 2686-2181 BCE, Age of the Pyramids. Pharaohs ruled as divine kings with absolute power. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built during this time under Pharaoh Khufu. Advanced developments in art, mathematics, and engineering flourished. The kingdom collapsed due to famine, economic struggles, and internal conflict. The Middle Kingdom, 2055-1650 BCE, Cultural Renaissance. Egypt was reunified under Mentuhotep II. Expansion into Nubia brought wealth and resources. Literature, arts, and irrigation systems advanced. Declined due to weak leadership and foreign invasions. The New Kingdom, 1550-1070 BCE, Egypt's Golden Age. Egypt became a powerful empire, expanding into Syria, Palestine, and Nubia. Famous pharaohs, Hatshepsut, female pharaoh, promoted trade and architecture. Thutmose III, military conqueror, Akhenaten. Introduced monotheism, worshipping the sun god Aten. Tutankhamun restored polytheism, tomb discovered in 1922. Ramses II led battles against the Hittites, built temples like Abu Simbel. The kingdom collapsed due to internal strife, foreign invasions, sea peoples, Libyans, and economic troubles. Late period and foreign rule, 1070-332 BCE. Egypt was ruled by Nubians, Assyrians, and Persians. Alexander the Great conquered Egypt in 332 BCE, marking the end of pharaonic rule. Greco-Roman Egypt, BCE-CE. Ptolemaic dynasty, BCE. After Alexander's death, Ptolemy I, one of his generals, became ruler. The capital was moved to Alexandria, a major center of Hellenistic culture and trade. Cleopatra VII, the last Ptolemaic ruler, allied with Julius Caesar and later Mark Antony, 30 BCE. Cleopatra's defeat by Octavian Augustus marked Egypt's incorporation into the Roman Empire. Roman and Byzantine rule, 30 BCE, 641 CE. Egypt became the breadbasket of Rome supplying grain. Christianity spread in the 1st century CE, and Coptic Christianity developed. Byzantine control, 4th-7th century CE. Religious conflicts between Christians and the Roman state intensified. Islamic Egypt, 641-1517. The Arab conquest, 641 CE. Amr ibn al-As led the Muslim conquest, bringing Islam and Arabic language. Cairo was founded in 969 CE by the Fatimid dynasty. Originally slave soldiers, the Mamluks overthrew their rulers and established their own empire, defeated the Mongols, Battle of Ain Jalut 1260, and stopped their advance into Africa. Ruled until the Ottomans conquered Egypt in 1517. Ottoman and European influence, 1517-1882. Egypt became a province of the Ottoman Empire but had semi-independent rulers, including Muhammad Ali Pasha, 1805-1849. Muhammad Ali modernized Egypt, introducing industrialization, a strong military, and irrigation projects. His dynasty built the Suez Canal 1869, linking the Mediterranean and Red Seas. Heavy debts forced Egypt under British financial control, 1876. British rule and independence struggles, 1882-1952. British occupation, 1882-1922. Britain occupied Egypt in 1882 to protect its control over the Suez Canal. Egyptian nationalists led by the WAFD party demanded independence. In 1922, Egypt gained nominal independence, but Britain controlled its foreign affairs and the Suez Canal. The Egyptian Revolution of 1952. King Farouk was overthrown in a military coup led by Gamal Abdel Nasser and the Free Officers Movement. Egypt became a republic, ending the monarchy. Modern Egypt, present, Nasser era. Nasser nationalized the Suez Canal, leading to the Suez Crisis. UK, France, Israel attacked but withdrew. Promoted Pan-Arabism and socialism. Led Egypt in the Six-Day War 1967 against Israel, losing Sinai Peninsula. Sadat era 1970-1981. Anwar Sadat shifted Egypt towards economic liberalization and peace with Israel. Yom Kippur War 1973. Egypt attacked Israel to reclaim Sinai. Signed the Camp David Accords 1978, with Israel leading to the Egypt-Israel Peace Treaty 1979. Assassinated in 1981 by Islamic extremists. Mubarak era 1981-2011. Hosni Mubarak ruled Egypt as a semi-authoritarian leader. Economic growth, but high corruption, poverty, and repression. Faced Islamist insurgencies, but remained an ally of the U.S. and the West. Arab Spring and aftermath 2011 present. 2011 Egyptian Revolution. Millions protested in Tahrir Square, forcing Mubarak to resign. Mohamed Morsi, Muslim Brotherhood, became Egypt's first democratically elected president. 2013 military coup. General Abdel Fattah el-Sisi overthrew Morsi and became president in 2014. Crackdown on opposition, restoration of military rule, current situation. Sisi's government promotes economic development, infrastructure projects, new Suez Canal, new capital city, and counterterrorism efforts. Challenges: human rights concerns, political repression, economic struggles due to inflation and high debts. Conclusion: Egypt's history is marked by great empires, foreign conquests, and modern political shifts. From pharaohs to presidents, Egypt remains a cultural and geopolitical powerhouse in the Arab world. Despite challenges, its rich heritage and strategic location make it a key player in global affairs. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon Books. Check out our website, Wordflix Publishers. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.